What's up? Welcome to YOLO with AP. I'm Antara, and in today's video I'll be telling you how you can use the chain of a bag like this in 5 different ways. Well, this is the part 2 of the series. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, then watch it right after this video. I'll be mentioning the link of the video in the comment box. So we'll do exactly what we did in the first video. We will start with the most basic look, and as we proceed in the video we'll just level up our game. Okay, so let's just start, because what are we waiting for? Christmas. So for the first look, what we'll do is simply take the chain and tie it in the back. So this will form a kind of a long chain, and this will give you a sort of really rich look. Now for look 2, what you need to do is लुक्कन का जो ये है, just turn it once ऐसे, and your look 2 is done. Now you have the choice that you want to keep it like this, ऐसे like same length पे, or you want to adjust it a bit. Just like this. You can adjust it in any length you want as per your convenience. So this is look 2. Now there is actually another way of doing this look too, which is ऐसे पीछे से लेके tie it यहाँ पे and then tie it यहाँ पे. Now for look 3, what you'll do is take the chain like this and secure the first layer ऐसे. Now ऐसे एक बार ट्विस्ट करो एंड फिर इसको यहाँ पे सिक्योर कर लो. Okay, and your 3-layer chain is ready. See, this looks so cool. Like imagine on a good summer day, like जब सब ठीक हो जाएगा, you're going out on a brunch or something, Sunday brunches, and dressed like this, you look so good and so gorgeous, so classy and stylish. मैंने सब adjective बोल दिया. Okay, fine. Now for look 4, what you'll have to do is tie your hair like this any way you want, and just एक end को ऐसे tie से, rubber tie से लगा लो, and then just wrap it around your hair. Now for the 5th look, tie your hair like this, or you can tie it पीछे भी, and then make a hole out of it. उसके बाद अंदर से इसको ऐसे निकाल लो. Alright, थोड़ा मतलब मिडिल से थोड़ा hollow सा बना के ऐसे निकाल के do it like this. It's a nice kind of a hairstyle. Now is that from that hollow ऐसे निकाल लो, and मेरे तरह मतलब ऐसे गलत मत निकालना. Just do exactly how I did it. ऐसे पीछे से ऐसे अंदर लेना. Okay, and now just tie it exactly how you did it in the 4th step. Make sure that you cover the rubber band like properly, and थोड़ा जल्दबाजी में मत करना. Take your time and do all this stuff, and देखो, and that attach it. So that is it for the video. I'll soon be back with the part 3 of the video, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I show my face. Basically, I don't want you to miss out on any of the amazing content which I'm bringing in onto this channel. So please consider subscribing. Please, कितनी बार बोल रही हो, कोई कर ही नहीं रहा है यार, कर दो please. And like the video, comment down below your favorite look, and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. So that is it guys for today. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.